about to go get exhaust work on the BM, so y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah. All right, y'all, so today I pulled up on RT Don. About to go, well, we got a couple stops. We gotta hit Five Below first. Then we about to go hit the exhaust shop. Oh my goodness, I just made a mistake. Let me show y'all. So, this was a little cracked. I was about to try this, right? And then I just noticed it's a little cracked, so I made a mess. We're not gonna worry about that though. But look, so check back in with y'all when we finally, get outside. We gotta wait on this thing. All right, y'all, so we made it to the exhaust shop. We finna walk in here, finna see what's going on. We got this guy losing his mind. But y'all see her parked up though? My goodness, I need to clean her for real. Listen. Get back to y'all once we, get out the shop though. All right, y'all, so I went to the exhaust. Okay, so turn this down. I went to 2 exhaust shops. First one, cut everything, res, mufflers. They was gonna charge me $573. Yeah, so the second one, they was gonna charge me $450. So it's looking like there's no way out of this one. I don't know if it's because I got BMW, I don't know, man, but look. Anyway, you got this right here. You got this right here. I'm finna put on the steering wheel instead of the other one. Can I help you, sir? Yeah, see? You just put them on camera, they act accordingly. All right, y'all, so this is the finished product. I ain't gonna lie, I definitely like it over what I just had on there, so I'm keeping this one. Y'all let me know what y'all think, though. All right, y'all, so we got another little POV drive. I've been out all day trying to, get stuff together. Well, not all day, but I've been out for like the past few hours. I'm trying to get my exhaust done, but hasn't really been working out how I wanted it to. First, they was trying to hit me with about 570, low 6 basically. Then they were trying to hit me with 450. So I mean, it's looking like I'm gonna have to go to 450 route. So I'll probably get that done later this week. I want to get lights and stuff in my car, but noise over lights. It's kind of like, yeah. So I done had lights in my car. Had lights in my Honda. So it's like, I'm kind of used to them. But noise, I ain't never had that. Roll the windows down for y'all. I can hear a little noise. I can finally, roll my windows down because, my car been tinted long enough, so. Well, I mean, it's not been tinted long enough, but it's like, my tire slap, bro, these grounds is uneven over here. I might do a pull right here, throw it in Sport Plus. Sport Plus the nuts, so that's what I'm saying. If I got the exhaust done today, so I should have got up early. If I got up early, I probably could have got it done today, okay. But it is what it is. Right here, go ahead. I need clear, I need no police. Oh yeah. Sirski, damn. Oh, now it's windy. I know y'all don't want to hear that, man. So we go and roll them windows up. You can hear it a little bit though, but imagine the noise. Oh, I gotta get through here. Imagine the noise when I cut the exhaust off. Hey, bro, see? Bro, go ahead. Like, see, people can't drive. Y'all see what I just did? And I did something a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But why did he just do that, though? I've never done nothing like that yet in this car. That was the first time, and I never knew it made that noise. only thing I don't like about POV drives is the fact I gotta ride with no music. Cause I'm a cranker. I be cranking. I'm talking about almost can't hear yourself think. Noise level. I'm gonna go behind this truck. I could get in front, but I don't care that much. I might go around him. I don't think there's no cop right here. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta pull a little bit to get past him now. Non-drivers, man. Cause as a driver, why would you run the risk of pulling out in front of a car that's obviously going a little bit faster than the flow of traffic, just so you can pull out? Like, what sense does that make? But I hope this setup is straight for y'all, bro. Cause you know I can't really tell how straight it is, cause you know it's above my head. And one of my friends, I had him try it on to see if he wanted to buy a mount like this, and he was adjusting it, so I don't know if, you know, it's not how it was when I used it the first time. My phone be overheating, so like, if y'all see clips where it's just me driving and then, yeah, I mean, most of the time I'll clip it like that, like quick cuts, but sometimes if it's like a random mid convo to cut off, yeah, it probably won't me. Phone probably overheated. So I mean, I don't know. Eventually I'll probably get a GoPro or something. But the only thing about those, I'll be hearing the battery life is bad. So it's like, yeah, I don't know if I want to invest in something with bad battery life, because if I'm recording and it just cuts off, because my phone, I can recharge it, right? And you know, like, how much battery it got. If my phone cut off or overheat, I just wait for it to cool down, charge it up, and then we cool. That cuts off, it's probably dead until I get back home. So yeah, that's the only thing. When I do these drives, I have to sit a little bit lower to make sure y'all can see. And I don't like sitting like this because I can't see like my left and right by like my tires a little bit. Yeah, but I mean, as far as the driving experience of this vehicle, very great handling, hugs the road, accelerates very well, changes gears well, shifts well. The only thing I'm not completely used to is turning while gassing or sharp turns. I'm not really used to it because the wheel kind of spins a little bit. So like, that's the only thing. Other than that, loving the car so far.